Ooh, sleep tip of the day. Embrace the yawn. Do you ever notice yourself yawning around the same time each night? That's your body saying, hey, it's sleep time. So don't ignore it. That's your sleep window, a natural period when your body's primed to fall asleep. If you push past it, you may get a second wind and end up staying awake much longer. Try syncing your bedtime routine with that nighttime yawn. Dim the lights, brush your teeth, and head to bed. Catching the wave when it comes makes you falling asleep so much easier and more natural.